All right, we are going to do the drawing for the $250 total giveaway here. So this has been going on for about a week and a half or so, 2 weeks. It hasn't been too long. Just decided to do a quick little giveaway here. Totaled of $250. Okay, and 5 lifetime licenses of my risk management tool. The breakdown is going to be, there's going to be 1 winner of $100, 3 winners, $50 each, and then 5 winners of my risk management tool. Now that is on NinjaTrader. Okay, so the drawing, about to do the drawing now. It is now over. All the entries have been submitted. Okay, so if you submitted an entry on this giveaway, well, there wasn't a lot of entries actually this time. There's only 40 something. Let's see. 46 entries. That's it. So your chances are pretty good. So it was just like I said, it was a quick one. I just posted it a few times. It's in my Discord. So I know a lot of the people that signed up are in the Discord, in my Discord group. So make sure you are part of the Discord. And that's where the good discussions happen, okay? The Facebook group, great discussions happen as well. People posting their payouts, people asking questions, but it's mainly revolving around Apex Trader funding. The Discord group is more so revolved around the trading strategies, people sharing their charts, things like that, okay? So in order to qualify for this drawing, you must be a member of either my Facebook group or my Discord group. The links for those groups will definitely be in either the description or comment section wherever you're watching this video. And it's going to be a quick one, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. And I'm going to show you here. We have the list of names of the entries. Like I said, there was only 46 entries on this one. That's it. This was not a widespread. I mean, I posted it in the Facebook group and the Discord. That's about it. Didn't really heavily advertise it. So, you got to kind of be engaged to see these things when they pop up. All right, so let's get started. Oh, by the way, the risk management tool is for NinjaTrader only. Okay, so let's get started here. We're going to use this little random number generator here. Have number 1 through 46. Let's make sure we have 46. Yep. And winner number 1, 34. That's going to be for the $100. So number 34. Who do we have here? We have Hi Tran. Congratulations. You win the $100. And then let's go to the next person. Number 43. Joshua Park. $50. Congratulations. Next winner. Number 44. Tricori Sanders. We got $50 there. So that's $200 total. This is the last number for $50 here. And number 15. Who do we have at 15? That is Frank. Okay. Now we're going to go to 5 winners for my risk management tool. First winner of that one, number 24. Eugene Alford. I'm just going to put a risk management tool there. Number 20. Edward Hernandez. Okay. And 3 more. Number 29. James. We have a winner there. So now we need 2 more winners of the risk management tool. And if you're not familiar with that, let's go over here to my page here. Go under trading tools, tick management tools. You can see all about it, what it is, how it works. It lets you, helps. This is all about money management and your discipline. Okay, so check that out. Number 29, we already entered that, so we need 2 more winners. Number 46, Frederick. Okay. Last winner is number 8. Number 8, we have Jimmy Pham. Okay. That is our winners. So just to recap, High Tran is the $100 winner. Then we have Joshua Park for $50, Tricori Sanders $50, and Frank Henriksen $50. Okay, this is going to be US dollars. And then we have Jimmy Pham, winner of the lifetime license for my risk management tool, Edward Hernandez, Eugene Alford, James Yuhu, and Frederick. Okay, so the way it's going to work, I'm going to send, I have all your email addresses because you had to enter your information to enter the drawing. Okay, and then I'm going to send you out an email. So check your email, check your spam account. I'm going to send you an email asking, well, if you want the risk management tool, I'll send you a link with a coupon that you can sign up for it. For what you'll do is just sign up. I'll have the instruction in the email, but you'll just sign up. You'll have a coupon code. And then the winners, I'll email you. I'll have to confirm your PayPal email address and all that good stuff. We'll communicate via email and get that sent right over to you. I'm just going to send the money over straight by PayPal. So as soon as you confirm your PayPal address, I'll get you your money. So congrats to the winners. And definitely appreciate you being part of the community, whether it's the Facebook group or the Discord, whichever one. Thank you. And as always, trade well. I'll talk to you later.